If you are an existing resident of Brahmana Residential Park and you are looking for a house and lot that is ready to move in for your loved ones, or naghahanap ka ng house and lot that you can turn into a rental unit, we have 155 square meters lot area with 180 square meters floor area available for you. If you are also an overseas Filipino worker, a retiree na naghahanap ng ready to move in, complete finished na house and lot, we have here 3-bedroom unit, 2 toilet and bath, powder room. Also, we have an open layout for living and dining area and a spacious kitchen area. So, meron tayong service area, helper's quarter, and as you can see, meron tayong provision for 2 carport. Now, let's officially start this quick house tour. So, ito tayo. Start with our 2 carport. As you can see, it's already high ceiling. So, yung ating access going to the service area is elevated na. Nandito na rin yung access natin sa ating helper's quarter. And meron din tayong access sa gilid going directly to the kitchen area. Pero ipapakita ko yan later. So, dito tayo sa kabilang side. So, as you can see, elevated na rin yung ating steps going to the main door. Here is our L-shaped na pocket garden. So, perfect to sa mga clients natin na mahilig magtanim ng halaman. Ayan, lalo na yung mga parents natin or elders na kasama sa bahay na mahilig magtanim. So, ayan, napakalaki ng space. So, kung napansin nyo kanina, wala tayong fence, wala tayong gates because that is part of the restriction, not just here in Pramana, but yung mga residential development here in Greenfield City. So, diretso lang tayo dito. So, meron tayong main entrance, meron pa tayo ditong access going directly to our dining area and another access here going also to the dining area, and ito naman yung pinakang access going to our kitchen area. So napansin nyo, napakarami ng windows, napakarami ng sliding doors natin or access going in and out of our property. So itong area na to can be your service area and also can be converted into a lanai. Mag-a-add na lang tayo ng canopy or glass that will serve as a roof. So, wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's go ahead and officially check the interior of this property. Tara! And now, let's check the interior of this modern home. So, ayan, as you can see, bungad sa atin is meron na kaagad tayong open layout for the living and the dining area. And kaya kitang-kita nyo naman, napapaligiran tayo ng sliding doors and also malalaking bintana. So, ang kagandahan dito, fixed na yung pinakang baba ng windows natin. And itong part na to, ayan, is na-open pa siya. So, pwede tayong magpa-add dito ng pinakang screen window para if ever na i-open natin siya, hindi tayo mag-worry na mayroong papasok na mga alikabok or insect. Since it's an open layout, depending on you na lang kung saan mo gustong ipwesto yung pinakang living and also dining area. So, ayan, napakalawak. Meron tayo ditong sliding door, which is access natin going to our pocket garden dito sa kabilang side, which is pinakita na natin kanina. So aside from windows and sliding doors sa paligid, meron tayo ditong extended na kitchen area. So just in case more than 2 yung tao na magpe-prepare ng food, so at least kita nyo naman napakalaki ng space. And nagkaroon na tayo dito ng malaking kitchen island with sink. So kita nyo naman meron na tayo provision dito for the breakfast nook. So, mag-a-add na lang tayo dyan ng bar stools and nagkaroon na rin tayo dito ng cabinets. So, kita nyo naman sa materials natin, well-maintained siya. Just to share a quick history nitong bahay. So, it was built back in 2021 and pinarent na to ng owner for 5 years. So, recently lang sila nag-move out, kaya ito, pina-repaint na siya nung ating current owner. And kita nyo, well-maintained siya. So, maganda pa rin yung ating cabinets, yung mga materials natin dito. And eto pa, another thing is, kita nyo naman, malaki na yung pinakang range hood natin So that means malaki na rin yung provision natin for our stove and oven. Ayan, nagkaroon pa tayo dito ng mga kitchen counter with cabinets, additional overhead cabinets here. Ito yung pinakang additional na sliding door natin. Or access going to the service area. Actually, itong area na to, pwede natin siyang i-convert into a lanai. So, direct access natin siya from the kitchen area and from the dining area. Ayan, meron tayong lanai and also pocket garden sa may gilid. Now, let's check another area here. So, ito na yung service area natin. So, kita nyo, ample naman yung space niya. Meron na tayo ditong lavatory. So, meron na tayong direct access from our carport. So, basically, kapag meron kayong mga pinamili, meron kayong deliveries, dito na sila didiretso sa ating service area or yung pinakang daily kitchen. And now, bago tayo umakyat sa second floor, papakita ko din sa inyo yung ating powder room. So, this is our powder room. So, as you can see, hindi ganun kalaki yung pinakang space niya. But I believe it serves its purpose. So, meron na tayong toilet and also lavatory. Meron na rin tayong owning window dun sa may bandang taas para sa natural ventilation. Now, let's check the second floor. So, dito naman sa ating staircase, nagkaroon pa tayo ng extra space dito sa gilid na pwede nating ipa-customize. So, pwede natin siyang gawing hidden cabinet para sa ating shoes or kung ano man yung gusto mong ilagay dito sa space na to. So, we have here, ayan, nakita nyo naman, napakalaki ng bintana. We have owning windows, pero itong nasa upper part is fixed na siya. So again, napakarami nating windows, napakarami nating sliding doors. Hindi lang siya for aesthetic purposes and for natural ventilation. The reason behind that is because yung architectural theme natin dito sa Pramana Residential Park is modern Asian tropical. So it's a kind of architecture na ideal for tropical countries katulad ng Philippines. Alam niyo naman gaano kainit dito sa Pilipinas. So it's really a good idea na maglagay ng maraming bintana and also mga sliding doors. So kung napanood niyo yung previous video ko here in Pramana Residential Park, finiture natin yung chamomile model. And I believe this one has the same structure, same siya ng model. The only difference na napansin ko is itong area na to. So yung finiture natin, this one is part na siya ng balcony. Pero, ang ginawa ng current owner is naglagay pa siya dito ng common area, which is, I believe, convertible tong area na to. So, pwede mo siyang gawing family area, o kaya mag-a-add na lang tayo ng pinakang door dito. Pwede siya maging gym. If you love music, dancing, ito, pwede mong ipa-convert into a studio. Itong pinakang area na to. So, meron na tayo ditong mga windows. Ayan, kita nyo naman, napakalaki. We have here, ito, sliding door na to that will lead to our balcony. So, from where I am at, tanaw na natin yung pinakang or isa sa mga playgrounds na meron tayo here in Pramana. Another thing, if meron kang mga anak or apo na mag-aaral or nag-aaral na, we have a lot of options para sa schools and universities. So, in Nuvali, meron tayo dyang Miriam College, Xavier School, and also Everest Academy. So, sa kabilang side naman, we have the DLSU Laguna, we have Don Bosco, and marami pang option. Meron din tayong Chiang Kai-shek around Silang Cavite and Brent International in Binyan. So, if meron ka currently na maliliit na mga anak or apo, so meron ba tayong mga future universities in the area? Mula dun sa labas, actually matatanaw mo na yung isa sa mga buildings ng UST. So, kapag natapos siya, is mas malaki pa siya compared sa UST Manila. And around ito naman, magkakaroon tayo dyan ng future UE. So, imaginein mo na lang, yung mga universities and schools na available in Metro Manila is also available na rin here in Metro Santa Rosa. Now, tara, check na natin yung ating first bedroom. So, here is our first bedroom. So, same thing, hindi mawawala yung napakaraming bintana. And meron na tayo ditong built-in cabinet with shelves. So, hindi na nag-occupy ng space yung pinakang cabinet natin dahil nakadikit na siya dun sa pinakang wall. So, ample yung space niya. Kahit queen size to king size bed is kasyang-kasya siya. And in case mga bata yung mag-occupy nito, pwede tayo maglagay dito ng 2 single bed o kaya naman is bunk bed for them. Now, let's check another room. This is our second bedroom. So, enough lang din yung space niya. Same thing, yung ating cabinet is built-in na rin and hindi na rin nag-occupies ng extra space. So, I believe mas mali ito ng slight compare dun sa other room kasi nandito na yung pinakang common toilet and bath natin sa kabila. So, ayan, kita nyo naman, meron tayo dito, malaking windows, and bawat room na napuntahan natin from the ground floor hanggang dito is, ayan, meron na rin tayong included na curtain blinds. Ayan, kung napansin nyo, included na rin yung ating mga split type air conditioner. Now, before natin puntahan yung exciting part which is the master bedroom, check muna natin yung ating common toilet and bath. So yan, nagkaroon tayo dito ng owning window. We have here our shower area. So ikaw na yung bahalang magpalagay ng partition kung ano yung preferred mo. If gusto mo yung concrete, gusto mo yung glass, or gusto mo yung totally enclosed na yung pinakang shower area. So meron na rin siyang toilet, lavatory. Ikaw na lang yung bahalang magpalagay nung preferred mo na mirror. So if you want na merong tricolors, if you want na merong unique shape ng mirror, then definitely you have a freedom to choose. And finally, here we are sa ating master bedroom. So ayan, as you can see, nagkaroon siya ng parang dalawang portion yung ating pinakang master bedroom. So itong portion na to, meron tayong drop ceiling with center light and cove lights. Meron na tayong malaking windows here and yung ating split type air conditioner. Dito naman sa banda dito, itong side na to is nagkaroon tayo dito ng high ceiling na nag-a-add ng elegance ng ating pinakang master bedroom. So this is our door or access natin going to our balcony. So katulad ng na-mention ko, itong master bedroom and yung kaninang common area natin is both may access sa balcony. So nandito na rin yung ating pinakang cabinet. And here is our spacious na ensuite toilet and bath. So same thing, kita nyo naman, maliwanag siya, very spacious na siya, complete fixtures. Yung ating shower area is, ikaw na rin yung bahala magpalagay ng pinakang partition depending on what you prefer. So meron na tayo ditong malaking windows, meron na rin siyang part na now open or meron na rin siyang owning window. Depending on you na lang kung paano mo siya i-cover. So, pwede mo siyang ipatinted o kaya naman magpa-add tayo ng curtain blinds after turnover. And I believe that's actually the end of our house tour. Now, isi-share ko naman sa inyo yung ating selling price.